98 Cobra is back on the bench, doing the very simple modification today. Of course, we've routed spark plug wires. We got the Kenny belt sitting pretty. Gonna do a little cleaning. AC system's charged, new AC compressor. Got that new triple belt. We are doing the thermostat. Reische Performance Ford 4D. It's a 170 thermostat. I felt like the car needed this, especially running with AC. It's a high quality thermostat. It costs almost 70 bucks. It's actually pretty expensive, but the reviews are always phenomenal, and I'm going to review it myself also, see how it does. Of course, the peak of summer is kind of gone from this area, but hey, what can we do, What can we do? I like the way everything looks. This car pretty much is prepped for dyno day outside of taking the car and doing the fuel tank. I'll be checking out how much of that I'm going to do here soon. I may just go ahead and back her up and pull the fuel tank so that I could install the new fuel tank and do the hat modifications. I'm not 100% sure on if I'm going to fool with that just yet, but that's where we're at. So a little bit of updates here and there. Of course, preparing to transport the green Cobra. So I'm going to be taking it off these stands so that it could be loaded up on the trailer properly and taken away. And we're just getting everything in, packed in. We've got parts. Marauder's sitting there nice. And we're doing some of the final phases on the tune there. Blow off valve is like pushing boost out maybe. So I'm just checking out a few things with that, and hell, we'll probably take a few turns on it here in a little while once I get the thermostat in. Coolant's almost drained out. We're going to put that new thermostat in and purge the system of air properly by procedure. That's very important on these 4-valve cars. And then we'll go back to the Marauder, do a little bit, and then I'll be pulling this bad boy off the jack stand so we can make sure it's prepped for shipment. And then, hey man, we just got a lot of different things going on here at one time, but we're making it happen at the end of the day. Here you can see the tremendous difference between the Reische Performance on the left and one of these just standard thermostats on the right. Of course, the quality is just years beyond between the two thermostats. This OEM style one versus this very tiny one. No wonder you're damn suffering trying to get coolant through the system. Damn thermostat's tiny as hell. We need something with some good flow. So not only is it the temperature, it's also the flow. I mean, look at the size difference between those two. This heat motor on the Reische Performance is far bigger, even just like they say. Even the spring on it is a lot larger. So we can't wait to see how this performs. We're going to go ahead and get it in the car. It's pretty easy. Of course, you just get your thermostat housing right there underneath, and you just install this in with the gasket and send it. We're going to get it in there and then see what we can come up with. A very beautiful piece.